In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure Visual Studio to know where your projects are on the file system. As a reminder, we'll go out to the file system. I'll bring the window over here and show you that we've configured our repositories to be on C, then dev, ADSDI, and then JSP1. This is our repository. You can see that Git file, which may not show on your computer if you're not showing hidden files, but I am, so that I can see the Git file. That will tell you that you're at the root of the repository. The play folder is one of the two high-level folders under which we'll have applications and projects. So I want to configure Visual Studio to open at this point the JSP1 folder when it goes to look for projects. That way we can go into either the play or work folders very easily. So to set that up, I'm going to open Visual Studio 2019 Preview using the taskbar icon. And underneath the buttons on the right here, I'm going to click the link that says Continue Without Code. That will open Visual Studio but not open a project. Then I'm going to go to Tools and then down to Options. And then I'm going to close the top Environment option and go into the second one called Projects and Solutions. Then I'm going to click on Locations, and then this top box here, which is actually already configured, is where Visual Studio is going to look for projects. So for you to configure that, click the button at the right, then navigate to C, into the dev folder, the ADSDI company folder, and the JSP1 project folder. And you should see this, again, Git may be hidden if you're not showing your hidden files, which I would recommend turning on your hidden files so you could see them. Then simply select the folder by clicking the button at the bottom, and that will put the folder location here for the location for projects, and then click OK at the bottom. And then after you've done that, when you go to create a new project or to open a project, it's going to know where you want to store those projects. So I'm just going to click this top project. I'm not going to create it, but I'll show you that it knows how to put the project in the right location. Now, of course, you're going to have to navigate down into play or work and to the folder you want to put the project in, but this gets you close to the right path. So I'm going to close that window. So anyhow, this is how to get Visual Studio configured so that it knows where you're keeping your project files.